Hello friends, I just wanted to show you today how to get that Funtac gooey stuff off the back of things. This picture frame thing has been on my wall for 12 years or so, and I had the base Funtacked to the wall, and it's made it kind of sticky, and I was going to give it to somebody because I'm changing my kitchen, and so I wanted to share with you how you get that off. So I have this bottle of kerosene that I just keep in the kitchen because it takes off all sorts of stuff. It takes anything sticky off, like tape residue, especially like duct tape that's melted onto something, and also it'll take off Sharpie along with Totally Awesome Cleaner. So you just take this kerosene and you just rub it along the area. Oh, I should have shown you how it was kind of sticky on my hand before, especially in the other corner. But you just rub it on there, and it will take it right down to the veneer. It's not sticky at all. Veneer, not the veneer. Oh my gosh, the clear coat. What is that called? Varnish. Gosh, I'm just blinking. I'll take it right down to the varnish. Just take the sticky off. That is rubbed in the corners, and I don't think I can get that out. But the sticky part oh, there's some sticky up here on the corner. And so you just use this kerosene, and it will take all that kind of sticky stuff off. It's awesome. So don't soak the thing in kerosene because you don't want to damage the paint or clear coat on it, varnish. But anyway, it'll just take it off. So, and you can also sometimes use that combination. I use it in combination all the time with Totally Awesome Cleaner. So if you try this and it doesn't take care of it on its own, try using the Totally Awesome Cleaner with it. Use one and then the other, and then you can do another round if you ever need to. So it's all good. I just didn't want to hand it to somebody and have them put their hand on the back and have it be sticky. So you can kind of see a little bit the blue on the cloth. So that takes it off. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you, a short video. Thanks for watching. You can check out my blog. I always post every video that I post pretty much has a blog post with it where I have more details and pictures and everything, so you can check that out, thesecretisgratitude.com. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.